Hello all, welcome to Krako's video series. Today I am here with 50 important GK questions that are helpful for your CMAT examination. Before getting into the video, please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. Let us see the first question now. Let us see the first question. Which one of the following tribes practices pastoral nomadism? Let us see what is pastoral nomadism. Pastoral nomadism is one of the three types of nomadisms, depends on the domestication and also livestock. It is practiced by pygmies. Who was the guru of the music maestro Tansen? The guru of the music maestro Tansen is Haridas. He was one of the 9 gems of Akbar's court. The world famous Ajanta caves are located in which state? The world famous Ajanta caves are located in Maharashtra state at a place called Aurangabad. Chauth is the land revenue levied by which rulers? It is levied by Maratha rulers. These were imposed in the early 18th century. Let us see the next one. There were 8 types of marriages during the Vedic period. Which one of them is a love marriage? Gandharva Vivaha is called as love marriage. Who was the German general nicknamed Desert Fox during the Second World War? General Erwin Rommel is nicknamed as Desert Fox during the Second World War. He is also a military theorist. Friends, Krako is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do Google search Krako CMAT previous papers and download them for your reference and practice. Which one of the following crop is also called as golden fiber of India? Jute is also called as golden fiber of India. It is a plant from the genus of Corchorus. Which country in the world is the leading producer of millets? India is the leading producer of millets. What is the capital of Jamaica? The capital of Jamaica is Kingston. Which one of the following cities is the capital of Ireland? The capital of Ireland is Dublin.
We at Krako provide all the previous year CAT papers along with many other MBA examinations such as IIFT, XAT, SNAP, MAT, CMAT, TIS and PGDBA in the actual exam format. You can attempt them as a test and get a detailed analysis of your performance or download them as PDFs.
Indian Petroleum Institute is situated in which city? It is situated in Dehradun city. Which one of the following brands has the tagline "Impossible is nothing"? Adidas has this tagline. The headquarters of Adidas is in Germany country. Adidas has been founded in the year 1949. International Women's Day is celebrated on. International Women's Day is observed on March 8th. Friends, Krako is providing CMAT mock test series. We are providing 5 latest pattern mocks and also 1 free mock for ₹299. Please do Google search Krako CMAT mock test series and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. On which day is the United Nations Day celebrated? United Nations Day is celebrated on 24th October. It is reflecting the official creation of United Nations on 1945. In the year 1945. The statehood day of Goa is May 30th in the year 1987. On which river is the Tehri Dam constructed? Tehri Dam is constructed on the river Bhagirathi and Bhagirathi river and also 25 kilometers along Bhilangana river. Let us see the next one now. Which cave is the cultural mix of religious arts of Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism? Ellora Caves is the cultural mix of religious arts of Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. and it is situated in Aurangabad of Maharashtra. It is also one of the UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. A mass of ice sliding down the slope from a snow-clad region is called as? It is called as glacier, and it is a persistent body of ice that is constantly moving on its own weight. Who is the first chairman of Indian Finance Commission? The first chairman of Indian Finance Commission is K.C. Niyogi. His full name is Kshitijchandra Niyogi. Who is the first woman governor of India? The first woman governor of India is Sarojini Naidu. She governed Uttar Pradesh from 1947 to 1949. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT mock test series for 299 rupees. We are providing 5 mocks and also 1 free mock. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT mock test series and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. The author of the book Ratnavalli is Harshvardhan. This book is written in Sanskrit. It is the famous Sanskrit drama which comprised of 4 acts. Jataka stories are related to Gautama Buddha. This is regarded as body of literature. Let us see the next one. The ratio of width to length of the Indian national flag is, the ratio is 2:3. Which of the following cities in India is also called as the Pink City? Jaipur is also called as the Pink City. The Watson Museum is located in Gujarat. It is having the precious objects from princely state of Rajkot founded by Jadeja Rajputs. Garba is the traditional dance of which of the following states? It is the traditional dance of Gujarat. Dandiya is the folk dance from, Gujarat. Which of the following cities is also called as the cultural capital of India? Kolkata is regarded as the cultural capital of India since it is immensely having the art, culture and also music, literature, dance, etc. Dandi March was started by Gandhiji to oppose. Taxes on salt productions. It was started on March 12th, 1930. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT previous papers. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT previous papers and download them for your better practice and reference. What is the name of the memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi? The name of the memorial dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi is Rajghat. The last Mughal emperor was Bahadur Shah, that is Bahadur Shah Jafar II. Let us see the next one. Which country in the world is the leading producer of maize? USA is the leading producer of maize. Which amongst the following is not a food grain? Cotton is not the food grain among the given options. Rail is the currency of Cambodia. And the capital of Cambodia is Phnom Penh. Let us see the next one. What is the capital of Mongolia? The capital of Mongolia is Ulaanbaatar, that means Red Hero. World Oil Outlook is published every year by which of the following organizations? It is published by OPEC, that means Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries. Let us see the next one. The headquarters of Asian Development Bank is located at? The headquarters of Asian Development Bank is located at Philippines. It was constructed in the year 1966. Every year World Refugee Day is observed on. Every year World Refugee Day is observed on June 20th. Every year World Asteroid Day is observed on. It is observed on June 30th. Friends, Krakow is providing CMAT mock test series. We are providing 5 mocks and also 1 free mock for rupees 299. Please do Google search Krakow CMAT mock test series and enroll for these mocks for your better practice and best score. Which day is observed as World Food Day? World Food Day is on October 16th. River Sutlej enters India through which pass? It enters India through Shipkila Pass. It is called as Langchen Zangboin in Tibet. Slate is a type of dash rock. Slate is a type of metamorphic rock. The desert that lies between India and Pakistan is. The desert that lies between India and Pakistan is Thar Desert. It is also called as Great Indian Desert. The next one, Nobel Prizes were first awarded in the year. They were first awarded in the year 1901. Which among the following is the third highest gallantry award? The third highest gallantry award is Veer Chakra. This is the first highest gallantry award and this is the second highest gallantry award. Like these three are under wartime awards. And this gallantry awards has another section that is called as peacetime awards. They are like Ashoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra. Let us see the next question. What is the fly leaf? Fly leaf is a blank page at the beginning or at the end of the book. Who among the following artists of India is a tabla player? Zakir Hussain is a tabla player. He has been awarded with Padma Shri in the year 1988. Which of these Indian cities is known as City of Temples? Bhubaneswar is known as City of Temples. Which of the following is not a tributary of river Ganga? Manjira is not a tributary of river Ganga. Manjira is a tributary of river Godavari. Let us see the next one now. Narora Atomic Power Station is located in which of the following states? It is located in Uttar Pradesh state of India. Hope you liked the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications. For any doubts or any suggestions regarding the video, you can tell me through the comment section. And prepare well for your examination. All the best and thank you for watching.